Hello, everybody. It's Rombo here for PXT and Project X Army. I hope you guys had a good week. We've been basically in a downtrend since the 11th, uh, but overall it is a downward wedge right here. So 78% of the time after it hits that wedge, we bounce up just like this wedge right here. We had a bounce. And here we had a bounce. So these are kind of like right now what I have in here is buy and sell zones. Um, I pretty much saw once we hit and made that downtrend point right there. I drew that here and I kind of figured, okay, I was telling guys most likely we're coming back down into the sell zone or buy zone, which is nothing wrong with that. We always like a deal, and now is a good time to see what's going to happen here with PXT. Um, we did have some support right here. That's why, because we're entering in this buy area, so we're starting to get buying pressure here. Now, how low this goes, we don't know. Usually, what I've noticed with PXT with the wedges, it usually goes a little bit later. Typically, is about this area right here, around 2/3 of the way down, 3/4 of the way down. It breaks. Now, with that said, it's not a guarantee. 78% of the time on a downward wedge, that's a bullish pattern. So that means 18% of the time it doesn't. And then we'd have to start testing horizontal support here. I have strong horizontal support at the $16.86 range. If it breaks to the south side, that would be a strong buy area. Time to really compound your nodes. If we do just a retest down in this area at around the in the 2026 area, and then get a bounce, this might be a good time to buy right here, and then hopefully see a break to the upside. Once we do get that break to the upside, then we don't know where it's going to go. We that this is a work in progress. No one knows for sure the future. I just draw the trend lines and see. That gives me an idea where things should go. But right now, we have a 78% chance of once this bottoms out, wherever it bottoms out, that it will break to the upside. We might even be right here. I mean, right now we do have a higher high or a higher low right here. So this, as I'm talking, might be the beginning of the leg that breaks the wedge, and this might have been just your last chance to get in this the buy-in area right here before it makes a move up. So that is what it looks like on the hourly chart. I can hardly wait till I could just get out of this business and get to the dailies, and then the weeklies is what I really like to look at. I'm more of a long trader, swing trader, so it's a little too early to be just solely looking at the day chart here, but this is what it looks like right now on the day chart. Nothing really exciting. A lot of topping tails, which usually means we're in a downtrend. We did have kind of a fake out here with the big bottoming tail here. Usually that means that the trend is changing, but had a couple of there's all different ways to call these candles. Rushing stars, inverted hammers. So that kind of shot it back down here. But right now, on the day, we're negative. Obviously, this can change depending on the price action. But it looks like we're going to be coming into retesting the bottom of this wedge right here, maybe March 1st, and then seeing a bounce. And so this might be a really good area, guys, to again to buy in and get ready for the second bounce. So because this is all consolidation area, guys who don't have patience, they buy here, they buy here. Oh, here we go, we're going up and then down. Now they're kind of bag holding as far as if this was a stock. But the thing is with nodes, guys, you got to remember, you're building those coins up. So even if the price goes down, you're still getting coins. So don't overreact and sell when you start seeing the price go down. That's just happened. The only thing that a chart is, I don't care what it is, price of tea in China, or anything, even betting pools. You could chart it. If there's fear and there's greed in buying and selling, is chartable, and it's just it's a way of showing psychologically how people are afraid and where they get greedy. And right now this pattern again is indicating a bullish run. So I just have for right now, this is my sell zone, this is my buy zone right here. And right now I'm not selling. I haven't sold a coin yet since early January. I got him very early, $1.30 or something like that. So I'm just compounding my nodes and waiting for the price actually to break 48, and then seeing what kind of rep we're going to have, and then I might take out some profits and then just keep compounding then after that. So that's my strategy. I'm not a financial advisor, of course. You guys do what you want to do, but I right now would definitely I wouldn't be selling. I would be compounding and waiting for the next run here, because this is the smart money selling, smart money buying. We're in a smart money buying area right here, and then just do whatever you wish right here. I just compound while we're in this area, and then if we make this move up, then I'm not going to sell. I'm going to wait to see if it breaks these highs, and then we're definitely on a different trajectory, and that's how you make money in the long run. You have patience. You let things play out, and you end up getting rewarded by being more patient. So I didn't sell on this big rip right here, and I didn't sell it when it got up there again. All that does is tell me it's just establishing where there are buy and sell zones, and I could have drew a graph like this off of this information just on the minute chart, and you're like, oh my goodness, it's so high, I'm going to sell, and then I'm going to buy here, and oh, it's up so high, I'm going to sell here, and then you miss out on all this, right? So in the long run, all right, you're looking at this, something like this, and you're panic selling, panic buying, and all this, and not getting a goal into the future and have a plan as far as creating your nodes, compounding, and getting an idea of where the project is going to go. Now, obviously, this is if you have confidence in the project, and you are willing to let it ride and let it go throughout the year, and those are the guys who get paid off the most. With that said, just stay tuned, and you guys have a really good week. Like I said before, I think we're eventually going to be with this downtrend here, dipping. We might be bottomed out here, or we might dip a little bit farther down and get more into this buy zone, and then really break out of this downward wedge to the upside. That's what I have for you guys today. Have a good week, And hopefully next week I'll be talking to you when the price is, up around $30 or so. And with that said, guys, take care. Bye.